is shy.
What do people even do on mukbangs?
They just talk, right? Isn't that what people do?
Never watched one before.
Hi. Do you think it's a person's fetish to watch people eat? It is. Ugh.
No.
I just realized that. I just remembered that. Ooh, unboxing. And then we should also make slime.
It's a chicken sandwich. Did you just throw major shade?
Mm-hmm.
People gonna be like, what was your favorite ice cream? Because like
Chocolate.
everyone's like, oh my god, like I like vanilla, don't get me wrong, but everyone's like, oh my god, vanilla's the best. And I'm like, no, it's not. It's like legit plain.
If you like vanilla, you're basic.
Come on. There's so many different types of ice cream that you could like, and you choose a vanilla. Isn't that smart guy on the Big Bang Theory? His name is like Ned or something. What's his name?
Someone leave the listing of the Big Bang Theory cast in the comments. That'd be amazing. Ooh, we'll give you a shout out. Hey, do we have a shout out for today?
Juan.
Juan. That's it. That's all you get.
Frick.
I need help up. Hello.
Hi. Do you have a throw up bowl? This like I have a special bowl in my house that like we clean it and then sometimes we use it for baking. Like it's normally like what we use like if we throw up. It's just a blue bowl.
My grandma has this one. So when I get sick, I used to go over there. It's like this tall, freaking this wide. I just like to lay on the floor in the bathroom, but my grandma's like, no, don't lay in there.
Whenever I'm sick, I only drink Sprite.
I eat ginger ale.
You eat? I need to learn how to make thumbnails.
Sounded like the Jane when it like takes a second for all the water to go down, and then it like kind of stops for a second, and then it keeps on going after that noise is made.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. What if everyone at our school secretly watches our videos?
How come you guys aren't subscribed, bro? Huh?
I'm almost done. Ready?
Damn. That's it.
Well, firework, 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 go to work, man.
Oh my god, no!
Man got eaten by whale, W. Wackadoo, wacka, wacka, do. Wacky with a side W, W equals the Illuminati.
Ah, freak.
I don't get it.
Guppy, guppy, guppy. Bubble, snappies.
Grandma.
I love you, Grandma. I want the title to just be a grandma emoji, okay?
Okay.
No context.
Speaking of Mrs. Claus, you should go follow my Instagram.
Is your name?
It's not Mrs. Claus.
Description.
It's gonna be right there. It's gonna be everywhere on the screen right now.
Click it. You have 10 seconds or a cat will eat.
Look it up. If you don't look it up, you're gonna die. You have 24 hours to live. Or this animal, picture right here.
Bam.
It's gonna come
She also has an Instagram. Follow that.
Speaking of that, yes, is also gonna be on the screen now. And then Eden's Instagram is gonna be on the screen now, but it's private. She doesn't let anyone follow her.
Hey, I will unprivate. Oh my god, we both went for freaking drinks. They can't know where this is from, Mum. I felt like going out my nose. I got so scared. So my teacher, like, I was doing like an art project, and I was like the test subject, you know, that's just how he does it. And I was I was asking him like where a supply was, and he's like, it's under there, and I was like, underwear, and then I started giggling, but I wasn't giggling, I was like, like, you know, like, awkward laughing, and like, because I couldn't hold it, and then, it's just like, my teacher was just like, it's great to be 5, isn't it, and then, yeah, and then, everyone's like, wait, what happened, and then he's like, Eden said the word underwear, and then everyone's like, One time I had to sing in front of the class. It was horrible. Me and
I
another
hated
girl.
those ditties. I would never sing during the ditties. I was like always lip sync.
You want some Coke? It's not white, you idiot.
She's giving her.
It's not even white, bro.
You just came out to look.
Do it.
Do it.
You need to stop saying that.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid.
I don't want to talk about boys. It's lame. Stop worrying about boys or girls or freaking
Yeah, it's
non-gendered.
Did you know the dude that Phoebe dates plays Ant-Man?
You made the ball hit Bella in the head.
Bella is a freaking hypocrite.
Bye bye.
It was like a brace. Bye.
Stop what I need.